Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Takeout. First open your browser, then search for takeout.google.com. This interface will be visible in your screen. Now here is 45 service available. If you want to deselect it all, then click on deselect all. Now select what you want to export. I want to export access log activity, calendar, Chrome, Classroom. After selecting your service, scroll down. Here you will find next step. Click on next step. Now here you can select which method you want for the delivery. You can select send download link via email. You can set add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, and add to box. I'm just selecting add to drive. Now here you can select the frequency. You can export once, or you can also export every 2 months for on year. And here you can select file type and size. After selecting all those fields, click on export. Give your password and click on next. Now here it will show that export in progress. After finishing the progress, you will get a notification for downloading the files. It's a lengthy process and it depends on your data in Google. So this is how you can use Google Takeout. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.